Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Google Ad Asset. Formerly they've been called as a Google Ad extension, but now their name has been changed, but the functionality is the same. They are one of the most critical thing in a Google Ad because it can help you to get a more click-through rate, and it also can help you to improve your quality score. So let's say if one of the advertiser who is using a Google Ad Asset and one of them is not using the Google Ad extension, then it is the higher chances that their quality score will grow up rather than the person who is not using the Google Ad Asset. Google Ad Asset can be your call extension, your Sitelink extension, your promotion extension, your lead extension. Depending on your business, what sort of asset you want to use, just use it according to your business need. Because the more asset you can use in your Google Ad, the better chances that your ad might get more quality score and the click-through rate can be improved. It also help you to take a more extra space while your ad is displaying, so that way there is a higher chances that people can click on those ad. So in this video we're gonna go step by step process how to set up those call extension and how we can use them in a Google Ad campaign. So let's go to the screen share where I will show you how we use them. So here we are in this particular ad account. So to go to on the asset side, what we need to do here is come up here in add an asset, just click on that one and then click on asset. So as you can see that this is all the assets is available up here. So here you can see that we have all the asset up here. So whatever we need to make it up, we can click on that particular asset and then we can make those asset and see that if they are aligned with our business or not. So as we have our site link extension, call out extension, structure snippet, call, lead form, location and affiliate, and price or app extension, and we have a promotion as well. So if we're running any kind of promotion, then we can use that promotion extension. So normally the one I use it in all of our client account, like these apply to the most of the businesses, which is your site link, your call out, your structure, your call extension, which is if your business is taking the call, then you can use this one. Or if there is a particular location you are trying to promote, that is a very good asset. Or if you are providing any sort of pricing on your particular product, so you can use this one as well. And if there is a promotion going on in your business, like let's say if there is a Christmas coming up, or if there is a Melbourne Cup, or if there is a any event coming up and you want to promote and show that price, like if it's a Black Friday or anything like that, then you can use these asset. Okay, the first asset we're going to talk about is our site link extension. So this is how it looks like on your mobile, and this is how it look like on your desktop, and this is how it look like on the YouTube if you are running a video ad. Okay, let's say you are a service-based digital marketing agency and you are providing a service for Google Ad, Facebook marketing, SEO or website designing. So what you can do up here, you can put your service name here, put the description according to that service and the URL of that particular page. So what it gonna do is when your ad gonna show up, this particular site link or the text gonna show up underneath of your ad, and then people who are interested in Google Ad, Facebook ad or website designing, they can click on that particular link and it will land them on that particular page. So this is how the site link extension work. The next one is your call out extension. That is like what are your unique selling points. So let's say you're saying fast service, open 24/7. So anything which is related to your business, which is the unique selling point of your business, you can put them up in here and then they will show up in underneath of your ad. So as you can see that here the description comes first and then your call out. Okay, so this is your call out extension. Third one is your structure snippet. So these are similar to the call out extension, but where they are different is there is a particular categories up here. Let's say if it is if your service is amenities, or if you're selling any course or your program, if your destination, or if you have a hotel business, you can choose them. So let's say you are providing a course, then you can say you can talk about your course like a course, SEO course or Google Ad course, or Facebook marketing course. So you can point up here all of your business related thing in the structured snippet. Okay, so that is pretty much similar to your call out extension, but you can see that if your services fall out under this category, then you can use them. If it doesn't, then you can use the type, and then you can type up any unique selling point about your business or any services you provide. You can mention up in here and then they will show up underneath of your Google Ad. Okay, So the next extension is your call extension. This is very helpful for the people who rely on the calls where they receive the call from the customer and then they can talk to them directly. So if you have that kind of business, you can take the advantage of this call extension. So how does it work is it appears underneath of your ad, and then people can click on that particular call number, and then they can talk to you directly. So all you have to do up here is make sure you use the right country code. Let's say I'm in Australia, so I'm going to choose that one, and then you're going to put the number up here. Make sure the number you're going to put up here is matching with your website number. So this number has to be displayed on your site as well. And also there is a conversion action which is Google is automatically creating. So if somebody gonna call, they're gonna track it. So you can use this thing call from the ads. Okay, so this is very helpful for the call extension. So the location extension is like if you have a multiple location and you want to advertise that particular location, then you can use this location setting up here, and it can go on the campaign or the ad group level. The next asset is your price asset. This is very helpful if you want to advertise your pricing and where you can tell the pricing in the ad. All you have to do up here is choose the language, choose the type, if it's a brand, if it's a service, or if there is any kind of service tire or service, then choose this one up here, choose the currency wherever you are selling that product, and then pricing qualifier you can choose from up to or average. So or you can just leave it as no qualifier, and then here put the product name, the pricing, and then description and the final URL of that particular thing. So that way it will show up here. Make sure you put minimum of 3 products if you want to use this asset, so that way it can show with your ad. Okay, the next one is your promotion asset. So this is very helpful for the business who run a ongoing promotion, or if they are taking the advantage of the events like Easter, Melbourne Cup, or let's say Christmas, Boxing Day, or anything like that. So all you have to do up here is create in here occasion. You can choose the occasion, let's say New Year, National Day, Mother Day, Labor Day, or if not, then just keep the occasion none. And then here choose the language, choose your currency, and here you can choose like, okay, if it's a monetary discount, like you are giving them a $20, or if there is a percentage, if there is a certain percentages off, or they can get up to that many up to $20 off or up to 20% off. Okay, let's say up to percent discount, let's say 20%, and then you can put the item name here, and then you can put the final URL, let's say mobile repair. Okay, and then you can put the promotion detail here. You can select the date, okay, when it is starting and when it is ending, so you don't have to manually turn it off. So this is very helpful if you are trying to promote, or if you are trying to giving any promotion to your customer. So that way you can use this promotion asset, and which can show with your ad. Okay, so that way it gives another reason for the user to click on your ad, so which can improve your click-through rate, and they can buy something which you are promoting through the promotion extension. Okay, so this is how you use the asset or ad extension inside the Google ad. Make sure you use as much as you can. It's all depend on the Google which one they are going to show it with your Google ad, but more asset you have, it's a better chance that your quality score will go up. Also it can help in the click-through rate. So that's it from this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.